Hey, my name's Kanji Coder. We're on video 705. Let's get into this delta. So in the PIMPSOB section, aka Kimport, aka File 192, we're adding some more functionality to our loader function right here that loads an image into the game data at a certain hotel address. So KC9 is the cute cell, GR9 is the green room cell. These indexes are identical. R4X and R4Y is our room cell coordinate on the memory layout for the room address we're loading into. This is the top left origin of the 64 by 64 cluster of pixel memory that we're going to load into the game as stained glass panels, and this is the texture origin X and Y. So right here in the cute copy loop, we're going to loop through every single cute cell, and we're going to alias it to GR9, and we'll use GR9 or KC9 depending on what's more appropriate for the context. So right here, we're going to use our lookup tables. We're going to convert the GR9 to a cute origin X and a cute origin Y. And this right here is just the less abbreviated version of Cox and Coy. Okay, R4X and R4Y are NAND because we don't have a lookup table for that yet. We'll make a lookup table in the next video. And these formulas are unfinished. We know that the hotel cells are 512 by 512 blocks of memory, so of course we multiply by 512. We know that the room cells are 128 by 128 blocks of memory, so we're going to multiply by 128 by 128. But there's more logic that needs to go in these formulas, which we will do in another video. Okay, down here is what we did previously, and then here are our footnotes. This is kind of an explanation of why KC9 and GR8 are the same thing, right? It's just the context that's changed. It's the use case that's changed, but not the actual numbers. So here's what I did in this video, and if you do want a longer explanation of why I'm doing what I'm doing, go here to the longer playlist on Ninja Coder. This is the intermediary code review. You're on the fast code review on Kanji Coder. If you just want technical demos, you can go here, and the source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me, down there. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry game. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. Like and subscribe.